Alright, everybody. So my sound got cut off somehow the first half of the video, so I apologize about that. But this is the gold setup. This is where we are now, right around almost 2 hours into the trade. This is where we're sitting currently, about up 50 pips from our entry. Now this entry here where I entered buys down here, you want to wait for the candles to close, obviously, always, because we had a lot of rejection in this area here, and then finally we had a good close. So you definitely don't want to enter when there's a lot of rejection. You want to wait for the candles to close and then wait for that pullback, and then go ahead and look to take your entries at that point. So we got, turned out in a positive outcome, obviously up 50 pips on this move, but I did not wait for that. I thought that this candle, either this candle or one of these, probably this candle, I think it was, that I figured was going to close, and then sat in a little bit of drawdown for a little bit and then enter. Actually no, because after the trade at 9:49, this candle was at 8:45, 9:50, 9:30. So yeah, it was this candle, not this one. It was this candle. I thought this one was going to be the one to close, and it did not pull back. Sat in a little bit of drawdown, and then eventually we actually went bullish. So this is up about 50 pips from entry, which is excellent. Obviously, this is a 217 pip full TP area here. I'm not going to hold to that entire TP. I'm not an intraday trader or even a swing trader. I'm a scalper, so this is being up 50 pips would be the ideal area that I'd probably be looking to get out usually, because that's pretty much all we need. So that was this trade on gold. All right, pretty decent setup. Market was bearish. We started ranging, started creating higher lows here. We pulled back, pushed up, created a higher high. Once price came down, retested this low here where we had a bullish engulfing, waited for or should have waited for the candle to close, and then went ahead and took the buy. But either way, the bias was for the buys. All right, so and based off this TP that I have here, obviously it's based off of this drop that we have here that needs to be retested. So if I look at the 1 hour time frame here, you will see that here we have this big drop, like I said, that needs to be retested. So no reason why this shouldn't continue pushing up based off this move here. So that's a pretty good setup. But being that it's Friday, Freaky Friday, you always want to be careful. You never really know, what can happen. I'm pretty good with 50 pips on the day. Bumpy week. We had a lot of news this week, but I chose quality over quantity and ended out the week in the positive. I think I had one losing setup on AU this week, but other than that, I only took, I think, 4 setups this week. This is probably my 4th. And actually I took US30 as well on this buy here. So actually I took 5 setups this week on my main pairs. So not bad. Pretty good week so far. The AU trade is playing footsie wootsy here. I was looking for it to pull back and then eventually continue down, but there's not too much volume in the market right now, so ended up this trade is just not working out. It's just not really doing much of anything. I don't expect it to move too much. Like I said, it is Friday, mid trading day Friday, so like I said, don't think this is going to be much of anything. However, I think the analysis is going to stay the same for next week. I think once we break the low here, we should continue bearish, but if we don't and we break the high here, then we can look for the retest for price to continue bullish. So that's what I'm looking at on AU going forward next week. Looking at the market here, we are in a bearish trend here. So because of this bearish trend, I prefer the sells. Honestly, I prefer to see the sells continue and to create more lower lows. But if that doesn't happen, then obviously we're going to be prepared for the buys above major highs here. So we'll see what plays out on AU for us for the next week. And then, on US30, excellent setup on US30. I think this is the only trade I took on US30 this week. Was it the only setup? I think it is. I don't really remember. But yeah, price came down to this major support down here. We tested it quite a few times. We did push above with a bullish engulfing here. We created another little mini range. and then pushed up again. So as you can see, all I'm looking at is structure at this point. I'm just seeing the market create higher highs and higher lows, and that's why I was able to enter at this low here. Did not anticipate the market coming down here. Even if it did, the buys would have still been valid. But this is a 1 hour support here. If we look at the 30-minute support, we have a little bit more of data here to give us a little bit more confirmation to hold this area as a support, which was also an area of resistance before, which is a perfect area of support to look for the buy continuations, which is what I did. Once the market came and pulled back, went ahead and took entries as it rejected, and we are up a good amount of pips here. So probably going to be closing out on this one shortly here. I'm not going to withstand the pullback. I know a pullback is coming. I don't care to stand for it, to weather it. Just want to grab my pips and get out. So this was a nice setup here. So that's pretty much it on this video. AU still playing around. Gold played out nicely, and US30 also played out nicely. Some nice bullish moves on this wonderful Friday of July 28th. So that's all I got for this video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. Drop some comments in the box below. I love to hear about what you guys think of these breakdowns of these videos, and it helps me to put out some more content for you guys as well. All right, so appreciate you guys for watching. It's your favorite female trader, SIMPLEFX, and I'm out.